What up mga solid subscribers, no? So ngayon guys, ang papanoorin po natin ito mga updates ulit ni Miss O, no? So guys, a very big shoutout po kay Miss O, no? So ito, international fandoms are curious about SB19. Google Trends reveal increased query, no? So ayun guys, tingnan natin to, no? I think iba po talaga yung follow dito ng SB19 dahil paangat guys eh, kung makikita nyo, no? So ito, ayoko na patagalin pa guys, no? Tara, panoorin natin to. Super excited na ako.
International fandoms are curious about SB19. Google Trends reveal increased query. Now that SB19 is up against a phenomenal international star Taylor Swift, many are now asking who is SB19. In fact, based on Google Trends under SB19 topic for the past day, the who is SB19 query has increased.
Oh! So, ito yung resulta guys, no? Ito yung resulta na pag bumangga ka sa isang talagang napakalaking pader, no? As in, no? Aminan guys, aminan sarili natin, no? Napakalaking pader po talaga ni Taylor Swift guys. Napakasikat po niyan, sobrang sikat yan. Siguro walang taong hindi nakakakilala kay Taylor Swift, no? Pero syempre i-set aside na natin yung mga tao talaga yun, no? yung mga below 90s or mga 80s. Pero I think pati nga yun, no, talaga kilala nila si Taylor Swift, no? Pero yung mga generation ngayon, I'm pretty sure guys, sobrang kilala si Taylor Swift up to 90s pataas, no? Kasi 90s ako, let's go. Pero I think guys, actually kahit ano pala, mga 80s pataas kasi yung ate ko, no, 80s siya, no, 1980s something siya pinanganak, no. So kailan niya si Taylor Swift, I think doon ko masabi na halos lahat ng tao guys, sabihin natin out of 100%, 95% ng tao kilala po si Taylor Swift. Ganun po gano'ng kalaking pader si Taylor Swift guys, no. So tingnan nyo, nakasagupa talaga, nakasagupa no? Hindi, kumbaga napahilera po ang ating mahaliman, no. So maglalaban sila guys, no. Kaya ito, yung mga fans si Taylor Swift, sinesearch na ngayon, sino bang SB19, no? So ito yung sinasabi ko, no. Pag halimbawa mang lumabang ka sa ganyan or mapabilang ka sa ganyan sa hanay nila, no, hindi mawawala yung ganyan, yung isa-search mo sila, sino ba sila. Kasi ako, minado ko, ganyan din ako sa sarili ko, no. Pag halimbawang yung idol ko, tulad nito guys, no, ano bang vlog, may isang beses na napanood, kailan mo to? Ito, recent lang to guys, recent lang, no. Actually, hindi siya recent, parang 6 months ago, 8 months ago na, no. Yung alam niyo yung Mavs Phenomenal Basketball, no. Si Gerald Anderson, kailan yun, syempre, no. Si Gerald Anderson, nag-basketball siya, kasali siya sa Maharlika Pilipinas, and ayun, no, professional player siya, as in professional player siya. Ewan ko lang active siya hanggang ngayon, pero may time na lumaban si Gerald Anderson sa mga street ballers. Actually, hindi naman street ballers ang Mavs Phenomenal Basketball. Basta lumukompete din sila sa mga official games talaga, no. Pero yun, kinalaban ng ng team ni Gerald Anderson yun. Napakita ko, sino ba itong Mavs Phenomenal Basketball na ito? Ba't sobrang sobrang galing naman na itong mga to, pero hindi ko sila kailan, no? So dun yun guys, no. Itong mga fans ni Taylor Swift is nakalaban or biglang napahanay ang pangalan ng ating mahalima. So curious sila, sino bang SB19, no? Bakit parang ang dami nilang nakikita mga post regarding sa SB19? Bakit kinakatakutan ng SB19? Bakit po may ganong klaseng resulta na kailangan mag-surrender po yung ibang fans ng ganto para lang sa SB19, no? So, ayun, kumbaga yung curiosity, no, doon napapasok po yun, no? So, just like this one, no, talagang tumataas po talaga yung yung graph nito, guys.
Swifties are now curious about SB19 and how and why the fans are capable of such massive votes.
Okay, tayo ito. Ticha Supermsat. Mahirap bigkasin. I swear I've never heard of SB19 before, okay? Ito naman si Noah Engracia. Asian fandom are just top tier. But I'm happy either way. Gemma Bull. Who are SB19 and how on earth have they reached that percentage? They must have a massive fan base. Let's go, no? Solid compliment yan, alam yan. Ryan Thang, Yitat. Who is SB19? Okay, but ito binara to, no? I think baka medyo hindi kaaya yung pangalan siguro. Who is SB19? They've won against everyone so far by a landslide, no? So, ito, napakarami guys, no? Talagang curious sila, no? So, ito magandang example guys. So, ito, sabi ni Ticha, I swear I've never heard of SB19, no? So may kita mo dyan guys na talagang grabe yung ano, yung paghanga po ng ibang bansa sa ating mahalima, no? Ayan, no? Talagang nagtaka sila kung ano po talagang SB19, no? Let's go.
Here are some comments. Who the F is even SB19? Edit, now I'ma have to give these boys the time of the day cause seems like they are actually very popular. Also, obviously, no hate to them, but like, we all know the true winner here. Another replied, I have no clue, I might give them a listen to see what that is all about.
Okay, no? Nice one, nice one. So, darating yung time guys na baka, actually hindi baka, talagang I'm sure guys, papakinggan nila yung mga kanta ng ating mahalima, no? Papakinggan nila, bakit sikat na sikat sila? Paano ba sila sumikat? Ganun, no? So, I'm pretty sure guys, papakinggan nila yung kanta ng ating mahalima, no? Extreme nila, hindi lang mga pati vlogs, mga concerts, no?
Another replied, the one that says, I woke up and baked that potato. Definitely worthy of beating Taylor in anything. The original commenter then replied, wow, that sounds so interesting. Now I have to check them out if they really get so many votes over Taylor. And it seems like people actually know them. So I'm gonna have to give them a listen and check it out.
Oh, kita nyo na guys na. Kumbaga nag-e-expand na po guys. Nag-e-expand na po siya, no? Napakagandang sign nito, no? Talagang maganda yung pinapakita ng ating mahalima. Syempre, a very big shoutout 18.
Now, there are also very negative comments like accusations, pero wag na nating patulan that
we won't get this one. They probably have endless bots voting. Come on, bro. I'm so sick and tired of the fandom of SB19 to do this. It's not fair anymore, and they probably will get away with this, with it. But we know better who is number one. Okay? Hayaan nyo na. Wala tayong magagawa dyan.
Dahil natural lang sa ibang fandom, lalo ng malalaki na magtatanong kung sino ang SB19 at kung paano nakayanan ng mga fans ang magbagsak ng halos 300 million votes.
Wow! Look at that guys. Oh. Number 1 po ang ating mahalima guys. Oh. Look at that. Number 1 po sila. And then kung makikita nyo po guys, 200 million sinundan po niyan. And then si Rihanna, number 3. Taylor Swift, number 4 po si Taylor Swift guys. No? Ewan ko kung ano to, no? Ascending or descending order, no? Pero nakalagay dito parang ascending yata. Kasi nagulan ako sa dalawang to. Ano ba to? Hindi ko makita. Ano yung sabihin yan? Justin Bieber. Guys, yung mga nasa baba po nila, sobrang very well-known artist po talaga sa ibang bansa. No? Kaya napaka-solid ng SB19.
Fans ang magbagsak ng halos 300 million votes. Sa halip na ma-offend, let's use this opportunity to introduce SB19 to them respectfully and humbly. Let's make friends with the other fandoms, iwasan na makipagbarda, sa halip, let's use this competition to our advantage, and that is, mas ipakilala pa ang SB19 at 18 sa buong mundo.
Nice one. No? So, ayan, for me guys, no, I think mas okay na kung halimbawa magsabi sila negative comments, hayaan na lang natin. Kung magsabi sila negative comments, kung gusto nyo mag-comment, I think saan na lang, in a good way, no? Pero I think mas maganda na ignore nyo na lang, no? Pero pag halimbawa may nag-engage sa inyo like nakikipagkaibigan or what, okay sige, why not naman, no? Wala nang masama, no? Wag natin parang masyado tayong naka 200, naka almost 300 million votes kami, mas angat kami sa inyo, hindi namin kayo papansinin. Hindi, no? Basta entertain pa rin natin at maging friendly tayo, no? Kailangan natin tulungan din yung ibang fandom na makilala nila ang ating mahalima, no? So tulungan lang. I think pwede na mangyari, posible yun, no? As long as magiging malawak yung pag-iisip natin, no? So tuloy-tuloy lang po ang pagboto, no? Talagang alam nyo naman na ang SB19 is doing their own thing, no? And ayun yung pinakamagiging tulong natin sa ating mahalima. Okay na guys, kaya na like, comment, share, subscribe. So this is Point of It signing out. Peace, let's see.